Quick room tour kung saan kami nagstay during our Boracay vacation. This is the Boracay Ocean Beach Club Resort located at Station 3 in Boracay. We booked this through Agoda for around 2,500 per night and free breakfast na yon, and ang breakfast nila dito ay buffet. We originally booked the superior room pero na-upgrade kami sa premier. May 2 double beds na magkahiwalay. Ni-request na lang namin na ipagtabi yan. These videos were taken nung pa-check out na kami kaya makalat na yung room. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Malinis yung room, malakas yung aircon at may mini ref dito. May 2 bottles of water sila na complimentary dito, saka yung tea and coffee at pwede ka mag-init ng water dyan. At pwede mo din gamitin tong kanilang blower for free. Super sulit na talaga nitong nabook namin, and breakfast buffet pa siya kaya talaga makakatipid ka. I-check mo na lang yung price sa apps like booking.com or agoda.com kasi nag-iiba-iba yon, or pwede ka mag-direct booking sa website nila. Nagkakaroon din sila ng discount kapag direct booking sa kanila. You can check their FB page din. Ito ang view mula sa aming veranda, so walang ocean view pero okay lang because most of the time nasa labas naman kami. Perfect sampayan ng mga basang damit. So ito naman yung CR. Malinis at malaki yung CR nitong premier room kaya nakakatuwa. So may bathtub dyan and pwede mo siyang buksan ng ganito. So habang nasa bathtub ka, pwede ka manood ng TV or makikita mo yung labas or yung room. So ganyan ang itsura niya. So may toiletries na libre, may hot and cold shower, and ang cute na wooden sliding door nila. Kung bet mo, book mo na. Bye!